like, am I getting this down?
Oh! That was too good. Ain't no man made me feel this way before. Oh! I feel like I went to a different dimension just now.
Hey guys, I'm in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and I'm going to be adjusting this beautiful professional photographer. Have you been adjusted before?
Never. Literally never.
Oh man.
Fuck me up, daddy. Ooh.
It's okay, we'll beat that one out. Is there anything going on? You have low back pain, neck pain, anything that I should know about?
I'm in pain all the time, like from shoulder down to my butt, like all the time.
So you're in pain right now?
Every day of my life.
Okay. So you've never been adjusted? Have you ever had a massage?
No, I get massages like every 2 to 3 weeks.
Okay.
But it's not the same. I don't know. It just doesn't do much for me. Like I feel good for a few days and then it's gone.
Okay. How long has that been going on? For a long time?
Oh yeah. I fell off a swing like 10 years ago and I never looked back.
So you've been in pain for 10 years?
Yeah, but it's not like, oh my God, I can't fucking walk. It's like those tingling sensations here and there and I'm like, whatever, I can deal with it.
I'm excited to adjust you.
Me
It's
too.
gonna change your life. So this is not like massage, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. It's a little bit more intense. So when I press here, does that?
Yeah, it's a little painful.
It's a little bit painful. Okay. Is it worse on this side?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How you know?
Because I can feel it. So usually what happens is when your joints aren't moving properly, it will be painful around that joint. So that's not moving too well.
Oh.
Compared to this side. So that's how I know.
Wow.
Ooh. So you spend a lot of time at your computer?
Yeah, and when I shoot, I'm always like going up and down in weird like pretzel forms.
Okay.
So that's why.
Did you shoot today?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you relaxed? There you go. Okay,
I don't even know what it means to be relaxed.
We're gonna help you to relax a little bit. Let's go in here. Okay. All right. Does it feel all right?
Oh, it feels too good.
Good.
Remember for making weird noises?
Go for it.
No.
I've heard it all. You have no idea.
You're making us make more noises.
Yeah, that's I'm a professional at it. I'm really good at making people make noises.
Oh. Good shit.
I think that making noises in a way is healing on its own. You're like letting out all of the tightness and the pain. Just let it go.
Oh, Jesus. Oh.
There we go. Alright. Ooh, up in here.
Oh, shit. Shit. I said shit.
It's okay, we got lots of beeps. It's Alright, let's. Okay. So, alright, the table right under you is gonna go up a little bit. You might feel it like that, okay?
So.
And I'm gonna press down here. And the table is gonna drop, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
We're good.
Oh!
How you doing?
Oh my God, that's great. I don't know.
We're doing it again. We're doing it one more time.
Oh, fuck. Oh.
Alright. How does it feel right here now? Is it as painful?
No, it's not. It's scary. I don't know what you did. Oh, man.
Got the joint moving a little bit better.
Oh, that's like the untouched territory.
Okay. I need you to relax as much as you can. There you go. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out all the way. Good.
Oh!
Okay. Do that one more time. Breathe in all the way, and then breathe out. Good. Stay totally relaxed here. Yeah. Girl, this area on you.
I already know. I can feel it.
Like, I cannot believe
what's
happening.
The way you're touching it, it hurts. It's crazy.
It is not moving at all.
Oh, God. Oh, Lord. Oh.
Take a deep breath in again. And breathe out.
Oh. Oh. You cracked something because I feel right up there.
This whole area. Is this what happens when you're a photographer? Is this...
And a streamer because I have to keep my face in one angle.
Oh, gotcha.
My neck be fucking hurting so hard. I'm sorry, this whole video gonna be deep.
It's okay.
But yeah, my neck. I have a potty mouth. Sorry, mommy. Oh. Oh, Jesus. It already feels so much better though.
Oh, we haven't even started.
I know. You're gonna have fun with me and
I'm just trying to get these muscles to relax before we adjust you. Okay. I got a special adjustment for this area for you specifically.
Go ahead.
Okay. Keep your head totally relaxed. I'm gonna bend your head over to one side, okay? But you don't help me. You stay totally relaxed, okay? Are you relaxed?
Do it.
There you go.
Oh! Holy shit! Oh my God, mama!
Let me see your face. You're live. All right.
That was too good. Ain't no man made me feel this way before. My lashes are fucked up. My makeup's fucked up. You know. That's
No, you look good. You look good. I got one more side, and then we can fix your lashes. How you doing? How you doing?
Crap. Thank you.
All right. All right. So stay relaxed again. All right. There you go.
Oh my God.
Oh, wow.
Okay. All right. I know it's hard to move right now, but when you're ready, go ahead and turn over and lay face up for me.
Oh, goodness.
So how's your posture when you're sitting at your computer over there?
I probably have the world's worst posture because everybody, even strangers, will come up to me and be like, hey, yo, like, you good? Like,
People who have no idea about posture.
Yeah, they're like, yo, like, you look a little uncomfortable. Yeah, I don't have good posture, unfortunately. And even when I'm, like, trying to be aware of it, I just forget. And then I'm back to square one. What the fuck? I feel like you're draining me of something
It's
right
so
now.
tight in here.
Oh, that's what you said.
Yep. All right. So we're gonna strap you up with this and get things moving a little bit more. So I'm gonna have you move down the table toward your feet. Make the table longer a little bit. Lift your legs just a bit. All right. And scoot down more. Keep going.
Oh, keep going.
Toward your feet. Yep. Keep going. Keep going. All right. Good. I'm excited for you right now. I'm just letting you know. Okay. So I'm gonna pull back this way. Try to keep everything as relaxed as you can, okay? You can, if you want to put your hands kind of like across your stomach and kind of like, yeah, just like that. Perfect. All right. So take a deep breath in. Breathe out all the way. Good. Breathe in again. Breathe all the way out. Good.
Oh, shit. What the fuck? I feel like I went to a different dimension just now.
You went to a different dimension?
What the hell? Jesus Christos. A sak pamagyan kismich this up.
Do I have to beep that out? I can't.
No. I said I've never felt like this before. Holy shit. Wow.
Feel good?
Oh.
Yeah?
Oh.
Can I have your feet while you're laying there?
Oh my God, yes. You can
It's an intense one. Your first adjustment was probably the most intense it possibly could be, right?
I love it.
Good. All right. Let's do. How you doing?
Amazing. Too good. I'm about to like fix you up a room and you can live with me.
Oh yeah, you're gonna move me. You're gonna move me in here.
Yeah.
Oh, I like that.
It does me once a week.
You're gonna keep your chiropractor like in the closet in the back.
You're too good for a closet.
You let me out of my room once in a while. I trust you.
Okay, you can come out now. Oh, that felt good. I felt that in my back. That was
Good.
Oh. This is the most action I've had in a minute.
Well, I'm glad I got to be a part of it.
Me too.
Okay.
That definitely less disappointing.
Just keep this leg relaxed here.
Ooh.
Alright, scoot back up there for me. This side too.
Woo!
Wow.
Yes.
Alright. Scoot back up there. Keep pulling you all the way down the table.
Okay.
Alright. How do you feel right now?
Too good.
Too good?
Feel like I'm high and I'm
That's
sober.
good. That's that chiropractic high. It's all the endorphins.
It's amazing.
I think your posture has improved. I like
I
this.
definitely feel like my posture improved. I never sat this straight in my life.
Wow. Yeah, this feels looser in here too. This was serious. Like,
I know.
I mean,
it is an emergency.
this is an emergency chiropractic adjustment. All right, you feel good right now?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna check your arms too. We're gonna adjust your arms. Let me see. I'll put this in here. Come on here. All right, let's see here. Let's see, it's moving already.
I know, right? This shit's crazy. My work about to get better. Like, Isabel, why do you move so swiftly? Well, you know.
I can't wait to see your face when your elbow gets adjusted though. It's like, let's see. Lean back just a little bit.
Woo! Damn.
Ooh.
Oh, that's too good. I don't know what I'm feeling right now, but I want to feel it
It's
all the
called,
time.
it's called amazing. I feel amazing. Keep this relaxed too. Your arm totally relaxed.
I think so. Wow.
You crack your knuckles?
I try to. I be forgetting sometimes, but.
Well, if you do, pulling is better than bending them over and like.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's better than doing that. Like if you can
Pull it?
pull, yeah.
Okay, the more you know.
Yeah. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna have you stand up.
Okay.
And you said you move around and you're in some weird positions when you're
like,
doing your
pictures.
So can you get into that position, do what you're doing, and tell me how you feel?
I already feel just amazing standing up, but the most famous one is I'll do this, and then I'm like this. And this
Okay.
is,
How does it feel right now?
it's amazing. It usually hurts to even get into that position,
Okay.
and it doesn't hurt anymore. Ooh.
Everything's
Wow, I feel like Megan Thee Stallion in this.
So you feel good. Do you feel pain anywhere right now?
No.
No?
No, it was mostly up here, and you cracked
Yeah.
my shit up. Yeah,
I mean, you really needed that.
yeah,
to
I
be
think
honest
so
with
too.
you.
It sounded like I needed that.
Yes. Thank you for letting me
Thank you
adjust you
so
for your
much.
first time ever. If
Honored.
anybody wants to connect with you, find you online, how can they find
It's
you?
at Sexy Psychopath on Instagram.
You guys got that? I will put it in the description too. But
Thank
yeah.
you so much.
Welcome to Chiropractic. You're very welcome. Thanks, guys.
I just got my shit cracked by the best and finest chiropractor. I said it right? Yeah, it was amazing, y'all. We'll see the episode when it drops. She cracked my shit!